Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DK Jobless. We have a great update from Carbynetech company which is located at the Hyderabad location. It's a great and biggest hiring update, guys, because they are hiring for both the freshers and experienced candidates. And if you're passed out any one of these years, like a 2016 to 2024 passed out, don't miss this opportunity, guys. If you miss it today, you will bother tomorrow. And they are hiring for a different domains in SAP above MM or SAP SD, PP and FICO. So if you have trained in these particular technologies or if you have experience in a relevant fields, don't miss this opportunity. And also they are hiring for people who ever trained in Python, SQL, React and Node.js. And the drive date is 31st January, timings 9:30 am to 4 pm. So if you got shortlisted after application, you need to walk in for this opportunity before 10 minutes before of this time, 9:20 like that. So this is a great update. I have attended previously for this opportunity. I have cleared the first two rounds, and in the final year I got rejected because I didn't met my qualifications, because they mentioned MCA, BTech, MBA like that. But at that time my qualification is a BSc Computer Science, so I didn't meet the qualification and I got rejected in the final year. So if you want to know the interview process of this Carbynetech company, I will make another video. So please comment in the comment section. So without lagging, let us see the in detail information, guys. So guys, here you can see one of the HR recruiter at a Carbynetech company updated officially on LinkedIn. It is an official update from HR recruiter, so don't miss this opportunity. They announced officially. So and experience required 0 to 2+ years, required skills strong in logical and programming skills. Like they are looking for trained candidates in a Python, SQL, React and Node.js. And also they are looking for SAP trained freshers in ABAP, MM, SD, PP, FICO with domain experience are also welcome. Certification or internship would be an added advantage. So these are the main required skills they mentioned here. For a trained freshers, internship experience will be plus. Must be ready to work from office. Location is Hyderabad. Qualification BO, BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc. These are the main required qualifications. And year of passing 2016 to 2024. And the drive date, if you got shortlisted after application, you need to walk in directly on 31st January 2026. Timings for a walk-in 9:30 am to 4 pm, guys. Main note, only shortlisted candidates will receive a call letter. Like if you got shortlisted, they will send the one call letter via mail or a WhatsApp number. Then you need to walk in with your call letter and resume, pen. Otherwise, they will provide paper and pen. The process is a technical written test, technical manager, and finally interview. They also provided application link here. If you click on this link, then it will be navigated to the form where you need to provide your details like a name, email ID, contact number, education, passed out year, trained technology, and working experience, location. So these are the main detail you need to provide and submit the application, guys. Don't miss it. Everything they mention here clearly, and many of the candidates reacted on this post. Here you can see they are showing their interest. If you're interested, if you have trained in these particular technologies, you can apply for this opportunity, guys. Don't miss it.